everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Since I'm not really streaming this, it might be awkward because I'm not really comfortable making videos, you know, without streaming. So if it is awkward, just pretend it's not, okay? I'm trying my best out here. But I have a very exciting video today, actually. Super exciting, trust me, it's gonna be fun. I have a bunch of packages here. I have a 4K monitor from Asus ROG. I have another monitor. So I'm gonna start with, this big boy, okay? It is the XG27U. The really cool thing about this monitor is that it's the world's first DSC monitor, which means it can display at 4K with 144 Hertz refresh rate without losing color. So that's really cool. So I can't wait to use that. Another really cool thing, if you're a content creator like me, it has HDR technology and 90% DCI P3. That'll be very necessary when I plug it into my PS5 so I can play at 4K. This is the monitor, okay? It's so big, but it's very, very nice. I like it. But yeah, and then behind here, hold on, I gotta stand up. It's fine, don't worry about me. Behind this, it's like, there's this thing. So it like rotates. That's some ASMR for you. The next thing I'm gonna be unboxing is the Tough Gaming VG27AQ monitor. A really cool thing about this is that it's G-Sync compatible, which means basically it has a variable refresh rate, which is really, really cool, especially if you're gaming. So another cool thing about this is that it also has Game Plus, and that basically means it's basically an in-game feature that really helps you be pro and helps you align your gaming skills. And like I said, if you want to be pro and you want to play a game at a pro level, I think this is the monitor you have to go with. The monitor has been taken out of the box. It's not as heavy as the other monitor, as the 4K one, but it's pretty hefty, but it feels lighter. This is where my PS5 is in. So here, I've got my PS5 controller. I have Spider-Man here. I am so excited to play it. Getting this was a pain in the butt. I got this the day they announced it, and I spent hours refreshing. Like, getting this really was so difficult. So if you didn't get one, I get it, but also I don't get it. You know what I mean? Hopefully you'll get one soon. Okay, so we gotta take it out of this box. Ta-da! Are you guys ready? Oh, I'm nervous. So in this box, it's like, there's another controller. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the controller up close out of the box. Kind of large, but feels kind of weird. I don't know, maybe I'll get used to it, who knows? Oh my God, it is so huge. Look at this. I know it doesn't look as big from like that's my torso, dude. That is literally the size of my torso. That's crazy. Look how big this is. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is one of my old PS4s. But this is one of my old PS4s compared to the PS5. Like, that's crazy, dude. What? That is like legit, like almost 1/2 of the size. Time to get this set up. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I'm gonna go get this set up in my room and then I will be back. So guys, I'm going through the settings right now. I'm sorry, my hand's a little shaky. Here's Aerith. So I'm going to gaming, and there's Game Plus mode is right here. And so this is really cool because you can actually put a crosshair on your monitor. So let's just do this one so you guys can see it. So like there's the crosshair right there. And so you can just keep it on there. And they have a bunch of different options, as you guys saw, which is really, really cool. Another cool thing about the crosshair is you can actually move the crosshair to like what you want it to be set to, which is super cool. So here I am in Minecraft.
Everything looks amazing, and you guys can see the crosshair here.
Okay, so I'm going into the Game Plus mode. There's a timer, there's an FPS counter, which is real-time frame rate, dynamic rate graph. I think I'm gonna use the real-time frame rate. So the frames are at 60 right now. So this is what it looks like with my settings. Let me put the crosshair on here so you guys can sort of see how cool it is having it on there while you're playing. So there's the crosshair. So this is Minecraft in 4K, 60 frames. This is insane. Look at that. 4K, 144 hertz, 60 frames per second. And there's absolutely no loss in the color or anything, and it's so smooth. Look at that sand. You can see the individual grains, wow. If you get a 4K monitor, I definitely recommend Minecraft. It looks beautiful, it really is. Minecraft in 4K, that's crazy.